Assalamu alaikum. We are embarking on exploration of Power BI, and till now we have covered the basics of Power BI, namely its integral parts called Power BI Desktop, services, and mobile, and how they independent integrately function, and the basic workflow of getting data from source, modeling it, visualizing it, and then distributing it through Power BI services and letting the clients and consumers look up into its insights through Power BI mobile cross-platform applications. And now it's time to get our hands a bit dirty with the actual work of preparing the data and visualizing it with Microsoft Power BI. This is a learning path which is Microsoft itself has designed, so we are going to follow it because naturally the designers have a great intuition of how to gradually increment our understanding of certain applications. Uh, so we are going to follow this path. And the great part is that the get started building with Power BI module that we embarked on in previous video is a essential part of this learning path. Okay, so now we are diving into the get data in Power BI module and starting its introduction. I will save you from the strenuous effort of reading all through this. I will just give you a brief overview from this website, from this picture, a holistic picture that Microsoft is offering. It is that when you entered an organization to offer your services of Power BI, they will have multiple sources of data. Their sales team will be working on SQL, Microsoft databases. Some HR data will be on Microsoft Excel. Warehouse apps will be using some fancy Cosmos DB, and finance and shipments will be using some newcomers like Azure Analysis, which have some great features too. So all of these data, even though they are connected, are in different places. That's a headache. But Microsoft saves you from this arduous task. It lets you to tap the wells in different places and gather the oil, the raw oil in this refinery of Power BI where you can then refine it. And by refining, I means you can model it, you can clean the data, you can change the column names, you can connect the dots with the relations and calculations. So you can feed that oil, refined oil of data into the industries and machineries of visualizations. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video of how we will tap into these wells of data, oil wells of data, and we'll start from relational database of Microsoft SQL Server. Then we will go into Microsoft Excel and hopefully into Cosmos DB or some other ones. Thank you very much.